Tired of being the only one pushing code to your GitHub repository? Okay, let's get your team pushing directly. First, access your GitHub repository and click on the Settings tab. You'll usually find it near the top of the page. Now, in the Settings menu, find the Collaborators and Teams option on the left side, and click on it. This is where the magic happens. On the Collaborators and Teams page, you'll see a button titled that people click that to start granting access. Now, a search box will appear, inviting you to enter the GitHub username or email address of the person you want to add as a collaborator. Type the username of your collaborator. After you've found and selected your collaborator, typically the default is the right permission should be selected, which enables push access review and adjust the permissions if needed. Right is usually what you would select to give your collaborators push access. Once you've chosen your collaborator and their permission level, confirm your choice and send the invitation. The collaborator will receive an invitation that they must accept. Once the collaborator accepts the invitation, you should see them listed as a collaborator on your repository with the permission level you assigned. They'll now be able to create branches, make commits, and push their code directly to your repository. And there you have it. You've successfully granted push access. This enables a collaborative coding environment where your team members can directly contribute code changes, ultimately streamlining your development workflow and boosting productivity. Now go on and build something amazing.